October is usually the month in the Igbo the world over celebrates yam as the king of crops in thanksgiving to God for his mercies towards them. In Abuja over the weekend, Igbo tripped out in their numbers to celebrate and thank God for safeguarding them despite all odds. ABS Abuja Bureau Chief Ekwi Ajide tells us more.
Cutting the yam on behalf of Ndigbo residents in the FCT, the Ndigbo Nwosibe prayed for God's continued sustainability of the people. The president Ohaneze Ndigbo Worldwide, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, reminded the Igbos that they are a special breed that cannot be subdued by any kind of antics and charged them to be ambassadors of the race wherever they find themselves.
Be a good ambassador of Igbo land. Know that you are Igbo man, or Igbo woman, or Igbo youth. Know that Igbos are people who are honest. Igbos are people who are very hardworking. Igbos don't go to seize anybody's property. Wherever we go, we know that the land belongs to other people. We negotiate, buy the land to build. We have never gone to anywhere to say it is our own. So we have brought that, and I'm very, very grateful.
For our former governor of Anambra State, Chukwuemeka Ezife, Ndigbo are the most united but often misunderstood owing to their individualism and independence.
No group in Nigeria, even smaller group, are as united as Igbo people. This is the only truth. But because of our individualism, republicanism, we don't have a king like Oba or Emir. But we have a democracy that is very strong.
The National Organizing Secretary of the Labour Party, Clement Ojukwu, who was recognized as Ogomba Ndigbo in Abuja, called for peace and calm, saying that even though his party does not like the outcome of the 2023 general election, it will always preach peace because another 4 years is just around the corner and they will surely take over.
The act that's established INEC should come up with better guidelines for INEC so that there will be better elections in the future. What we had from the Supreme Court was not justice, but a judgment. But I will tell my people to be calm and be peaceful.
Iwajin Ndigbo in Abuja tagged United We Stand, Divided We Fall was an opportunity for the people to showcase their cultural heritage through dances and masquerading. In Abuja, Princess Ekwi Ajide reporting.